Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and studying hard for the first term exam. Today I am going to teach you a new topic from the Learner's English Grammar book, that is comprehension, of page number 80. Now do you know what is comprehension? What do you mean by comprehension? In the English language, a small passage or a short story is called comprehension. Now you will think, why we have to learn comprehension? The purpose of comprehension is to check the ability of students to understand the passage and process the information provided in the passage. So, you know what we have to do in the comprehension, or what we have to read and how we have to evaluate the passage. First, we have to read the passage thoroughly and carefully, and then a few questions are asked at the end of the passage to evaluate how well you have understood the passage and how efficiently you have processed the information provided in this passage. So children, in comprehension, a small passage or a prose is given, or a short story is also given. So you have to read it carefully and thoroughly 2-3 times, and you have to answer the questions given below it, and also find the answers on your own. So let's start with the comprehension of page number 80. You too have to read after me carefully. Passage number 1. Once in a village named Dholpur, there lived a girl named Shivani. Shivani was a milkmaid. Every day, her father used to milk their only cow, and it was Shivani's duty to sell the milk in the market. Shivani was a daydreamer. She was tired and also sad that they were poor and did not have enough money like the other milkmen of the village. So children, what do you understand by this part? That there was a girl named Shivani, and she lived in a village called Dholpur. And who she was? She was a milkmaid. And her father used to milk their only cow. And what was Shivani's duty? Shivani's duty was to sell that milk in the market. But Shivani had a habit of daydreaming. So she was tired and also sad that they were poor and did not have enough money like the other milkmen of the village. So I hope you must have understood this part. So let me ask you some questions to see how much you have understood this passage. Tell me children, who was Shivani and where did she live? So for answering this question, you too have to again read the passage and answer the question. So who was Shivani? Shivani was a milkmaid. So you have to find from the passage. Shivani was a milkmaid. And where did she live? She lived in a village named Dholpur. So children, now I'll ask you the another question. What habit did Shivani have? Shivani was a daydreamer. So what habit she had? She had a habit of daydreaming. So you have to answer the questions from the passage itself. Now let's read the next part of the passage. Every day she used to sit for hours dreaming about a big house, good clothes and food. Her father warned her many times that her daydreaming would surely cause a loss to the family. One day, as usual, Shivani was walking with her pot of milk on her head towards the market. But because of her daydreaming, she absent-mindedly took another path which was full of stones and pebbles. So children, what happened? That every day she used to sit for hours dreaming about a big house, good clothes and food. And her father also had warned her that she should not daydream like this, because surely one day she will cause a loss to her family. So one day, as usual or as every day, Shivani was walking with a pot of milk on her head towards the market. But because of her daydreaming, she absent-mindedly took another path which was full of stones and pebbles. Absent-mindedly because means that she unknowingly, because of her daydreaming, she took the another path or the another way which was full of stones and pebbles. So Tell me, children, what did she always dream of? So you have to read the passage and tell me the answer. So the answer is she dreamt about a big house, good clothes and food. So we'll now read the next part of the passage. Suddenly she tripped against a stone and the pot full of milk fell from her head. The pot broke and there was milk everywhere. Shivani started crying, thinking that her father would scold her since she would have no money to take home and her family would have to remain hungry. From that day, Shivani vowed never to daydream anymore. So, when she took the wrong path, suddenly she tripped against a stone. Tripped means her foot got stuck in the stone and she was about to fall. But she not fell, but her pot full of milk fell from her head. And the pot broke and there was milk everywhere and the milk was scattered everywhere. Now Shivani started crying because she thought if that her father will scold her since she did not take any money to home for a family and her family will remain hungry because of her daydreaming. So from that day she vowed or she took a promise that she will never daydream any more. So I hope you must have understood this part of the passage also. So we'll answer some questions. Tell me, children, what happened one day? One day she walked to a incorrect path and suddenly what happened? She tripped against a stone and the pot full of milk fell from the head. So this is the answer for the question. What happened one day? She tripped against a stone and the pot full of milk fell from her head. Now tell me, children, did Shivani realize her mistake? Yes, because when a milk fell down and she realized that she will not get any money and her family will remain hungry, she from that day took a promise that she'll never do daydreaming anymore. So this is the answer for the next question. From that day, Shivani vowed never to daydream anymore. So children, when you read the passage carefully, you will find all the answers asked below the passage. So now you have to read the above passage and answer the questions. Now the first question, who was Shivani? Where did she live? Shivani was a milkmaid. She lived in a village called Dholpur. Now the second question is, what habit did Shivani have? Shivani had a habit of daydreaming. Now the third question, what did she always dream of? She always dreamt about a big house, good clothes and food. So the next question is, what happened one day? One day, as Shivani was daydreaming, she tripped against a stone and the pot full of milk fell from her head. The pot broke and there was milk everywhere. And the last question, did Shivani realize her mistake? Yes. Yes, she realized her mistake as from that day Shivani vowed never to daydream anymore. So I hope you must have understood how to read a comprehension and how to answer the questions given in the passage. So you have to read once or twice to carefully to answer the given questions. So bye till now and don't forget to subscribe for further notification. Thank you.